think that the ACVIM is looked to as one of the main specialty organizations. I do believe that we are trendsetters. We're the biggest, I believe, still the biggest specialty organization in the world. So that gives us a lot of voice power. So I think people look to us as leaders as specialty organization.
One of the things that has helped the ACVIM, I think, tremendously is it has become recognized as a leader in education of students. It has become a leader in how we develop our exams and how we certify people, and other specialty organizations actually very often look to us as leaders in what are better ways to become a diplomat, what are better ways to become a specialist. And so we've been able to help other specialty organizations as well. I think one of the things is that the pandemic, along with other things, has made us realize we have to be flexible, we have to be nimble, we have to be willing to change as the world changes, because otherwise we will go the way of dinosaurs.
I think it's a huge milestone in the college. It's survived a long time. It has grown unbelievably in that time. It's a very forward-thinking organization, and I'm just really excited to see what comes in the next 50 years.
For me, it's very exciting because what I see is an organization that started out on a shoestring, and that the first neurology dinner that I went to, the entire specialty fit into one car. And we went to dinner, and now it would take several buses. And so for me, that's exciting to see the change and to see the enthusiasm and the excitement of the people that are trying to become diplomats, and how valuable it is to them intellectually and emotionally to become part of this organization. It tells me a lot that there are people out there who want to join us because of what we represent and because of what we do. So that to me is just exciting as can be.